scissors. If you have, great. If you don't have, it's okay. Use a scale instead. All right? Okay. We need Play-Doh. We need screwdriver. I'm using a screwdriver kit. You can use just a screwdriver. All right? Or rolling pin. What Mama uses. All right? And a black sketch pen. Okay? A ballpoint pen like this one or any other, or a straw, either. Okay? Both is also good. So collect all of these. You can, it's always good to have a wet wipe by the side. A toothpick or a pencil is a good thing to have as an add-on. All right? Everybody, all set? Give me thumbs up if everybody has this, all of this stuff. Great. Okay. Now, let's start working on it. All right? So, everybody, eyes on screen. All right? Everybody, first look. Don't start making. Everybody, eyes on me. I can't see everybody is looking at me. I want to see everybody looking at me. Good job. I can see kids now looking at me. Now, focus on the screen. All right? Focus on the screen. So, first thing we do is take the dough and roll it. Okay? Kids, take the dough and roll it. Okay? And then make it like a roti. Alright? Flatten it up like a roti. Okay? Once you have done this, then we'll move on. You need to first do this. Okay? I am pausing my video and waiting for all of you to start doing it. Okay? I'm playing it again. First we make a roll. Play-Doh roll. Alright? And then we make it like a roti. Okay. So today I'm going to use a blue. Hello. Can you hear me now, everybody? Thumbs up if you can hear me. Thumbs up. Can you hear me, everyone? All right. Okay, can you see the video? Give me a thumbs up if you can see the video. Thumbs up if you can see the video, everyone. I can't see thumbs up. Okay, good. Okay, let's do this, all right? So, take a dough and a big one and roll it, okay? You've already done it like a roti now, all right? I'm replaying it for those who've missed out, okay? So, now we use a rolling pin on it. Great. So we need to make sure it's thin enough, but not too thin, okay? It's not as patla as a roti. It's a little bigger, okay, everyone? Now, everybody, eyes on screen. Stop what you're doing and eyes on screen. We want to see what we are going to do today, okay? Eyes on screen. Sab screen pe dekhenge, please, okay? Okay, eyes on screen, everyone, and let's see. I'm using a scale. See how I'm using a scale. Everybody, look at the screen. I am cutting my Play-Doh using a scale. You can do that too, everyone. Kids, all right? Everybody, eyes on screen. सब लोग पहले स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे, ठीक है? उसके बाद काम शुरू करेंगे ताकि एक बार मैं देख लूं क्या क्या करना है. All right, here we go. So everybody, eyes on screen. I've taken the roti, I've cut off it into a rectangle. I've made it into a rectangle. All right. Now, once this is a rectangle, I keep the rest of the dough back in the box. All right. And I take off the scraps and additionals from this and peel off my dough. Okay. Keep it aside. All right. Next, I am going to take another color. All right. But before I do that, I'm going to take a pencil. Everybody listen, look at me. Take a pencil and you can make this design. Can you see? See, I'm making this design at the bottom. See, I'm making this design at the bottom. All right. You can use a pencil to do that. All right. Look how I've done it. Okay. Then I am using the same pencil to make dots on the top. Can you see? Everyone, first look at the screen, darling. All right. Eyes on screen. Once we are done with both those steps, we'll move ahead. But first, I need you to start working on this. All right. Use your pencils here. All right. And use your pencils to make mark here also. This is a different kind of holding the pencil. All right. You can use a toothpick instead of a pencil if you don't have. I'm using a crayon. You can use whatever you have. If anybody has any questions, please raise your hand and I'll unmute you. All right. Okay. I can see so many cute little faces of everybody. Great. All right. Everybody, I'll play the video again in case anybody is lagging behind. All right. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. Raise your hand and ma'am will unmute you. Okay? Great. So, after rolling it like a roti, you know what I'm doing? I'm cutting it with a scale. You can do that too. Here's my scale. All right. And once we're done with that, we'll move on to removing the extras, all right? Great. Excuse me. Okay. So once we have our base ready, the next step is making these small line structures, all right, that you can see here. For this, we need a pencil, all right? A sharpened pencil would be doing the job good enough. Okay? All of you, this is super duper easy, okay? Now look at how I am making the top marks. I'm just puncturing and pressing my pencil against it, all right? So for example, this is my pencil. I'm just pressing it like this, all right? Pressing it like this. Great. And then I use the scales to give an outline. So once we are done, are we done till here? I need thumbs up if you're done till here. Thumbs up. Are you done till here? Good job. I can see quite a few are done till here. So I am moving on. All right. Wow. Oh, I can see a mama showing me the Play-Doh. So cool. Nice. Okay. Now we go here. Okay. So we make two lines. All right. So we put two lines using a scale. And it's a simple way. See, I'm just pressing it a little, not too much. Okay. Can we do that? I need all of you to do that and then show it to me like this. Just the way I'm showing it to you right now. All right. Put it in your hand like this and show. Or scroll down the camera and show. I want everybody to show me what colors they have. Oh, I can see a purple. So cute. And I can see a Dadi holding red. Wow. And an orange. And a yellow. Wow. I can see so many of you. Green. Purple. Red. I love the colors, kids. Super proud. All right. Moving on. All right. So we've made these two lines with the scale. Can you see that? We've made two lines with the scale. Two on top. See, two on top and one on bottom. Okay. Now we take another Play-Doh, another color. Okay, everyone, and roll the ball. Everybody, start taking another Play-Doh and roll the ball. See, I'm taking a yellow color because I'm gonna do this here. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna again roll the dough and use a scale. Everybody, eyes on screen. All right. Eyes on screen, everyone. I am again using a scale to cut the extra. All right. You can also use the scissors to cut the extras if you want. All right. Scissors is for those who want to cut off the extras with the help of scissors. All right. The good thing about Play-Doh is you can actually use regular everyday things to cut, chop. All right. Okay, somebody has muted themselves. Yes, please. Okay. So, quickly going. I've made a yellow base now. Can you show me a different colored bases that you've done? First do that and then show it to me, all right? Very good job, Dadi. Awesome. I can't see their names, but I'll be able to see your names once you make your name Play-Doh. I love the red Play-Doh. Wow. Awesome, darling.
We don't have a second color Play-Doh, so can we do on the
Okay, you can use the same colored Play-Doh. It's all right. Okay.
right?
And I'll give you a trick for a longer this thing. Sometimes you can use sketch pen to add color to your dough. But right now yours is very red, so you can't add more colors to it. You use your red. Don't worry about it. Okay. So once your extra spare Play-Doh is done, you have to show it to me. All right? And I'll take the colors and names. I want to see all the colors. Can you show me your dough? Like this? Just hold it like this and show me. Oh, I can see a yellow and a peach or a pink. Nice color combination. Okay. Great. Who else? Oh, I can see a green and a yellow. Nice. I can see a what color? Oh, I can see a yellow. Very nice. Okay, everybody, eyes back on screen. All right. Our priority is to quickly see how to do this. Okay. So I've done a simple thing. Okay. So I've tried to put it and I realized it's a little big. Right. So I used my scale again to chop off the extra. Okay. You can do the same so that it fits well on the plate. Okay. Now I'm using a scissors to cut because I think scale is not cut it perfectly. I want to add more scissors to cut. So you can use either a scissor or a scale. All right. Good job. I can see a few kids answering. Okay. So now everybody look at this step. This is very, very important. All right. You need to fix these two together. You know how you're going to do? You're going to take a pencil and you're going to press it on 4 corners. Can you see how I'm doing it? See? I need all of you to do this. All right? Press it on all 4 corners. All right? With the pencil. Nothing else right now. Just with a pencil. Just 4 corners. Not everywhere. Good job. I can see a orange and yellow Play-Doh done with the 4 dots. Good job. Awesome. I can see another orange and yellow Play-Doh showing me like this. Good job, darling. Good job. All right. Everyone, eyes on screen. All right. Now, next thing is very important. And for this, I'm going to tell you what you need to do. All right. Take out your pen. Can you see? You have a pen. Everyone has a pen. All right. Take out your pen. Open this and remove the refill. Mummies, daddies, please help with this. Remove the refill. All right. And then we close it back again. Okay. For those who don't have the pen, you can use a straw. All right. Or a, let me show you a toolkit. All right. A plus sign that comes with the basic toolkit. You can use your, these are your tools for Play-Doh. All right, everyone. So I need a pen without a refill. All right. And if you don't have that, we'll use screwdriver. All right. And next step, look at what I'm doing. All right, everybody, eyes on screen. There we go. See, it's a simple thing. We are gonna use this pen without a refill, all right? And we're gonna press it and give a border. Everybody look at the screen, all right? So we're gonna give this design to it, all right? We've given this design to it. And this design comes with only the pen without a refill. I want everybody's mics off, please. Okay. In case you're using a screwdriver, see, this is the kind of design you might get. Can you see this? Screwdriver gives you this design, all right? Here we go. Okay. Are we done? First tell me, are we done with the outline? Everybody thumbs up. Oh, awesome. I can see a green and a red one. Then, all right. I can see yellow and red. I can see blue and yellow. Wow. I can see a green and yellow. Very good job. I am so proud of all of my children. Red and yellow. Wow. I am so happy and excited to see all of you doing such a good job. And thank you to all the mummies for helping out and the kiddos for actually doing these things. All right. Okay. Now we got to move on. All right. Everybody ready? Okay. I need you to take out your sketch pens. Can you take out your sketch pens? Okay. So here's another trick. All the kids out there, the toddlers out there can actually write on the Play-Doh with a sketch pen. So you don't always need fancy tools to decorate. You can use sketch pens to decorate. All right. So the mommy who had single color Play-Doh can actually use a sketch pen to highlight these lines. All right. Use a sketch pen on them to highlight them and make it look different. All right. Great. Okay. Getting back to this. All right. Everybody who can write alphabets should write this. Their own names on the nameplate. Or mommies can help. All right. So I've taken a sketch pen and I am writing Raghav's name on this. All right. Awesome. I can see. Can you get it closer like this so that I can read out the names, please? I can, Dadi, can you do it a little this side? Grandma, move it a little this side. Oh, wow. I can see a green and yellow. Good. Okay. Let me, green and purple is looking so cute. I think I like it. Darling, good job. I can see stars and I can see a pink and peach. Very nice. Good job. Did you all like this activity? Did you all like this activity? Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Good job or not? Did I do a good job in teaching you this or not? Yes or no? Yes? Awesome. Okay. So it's time to quickly tell you another. Do you want to learn another thing? Very less time left. And because it's a less time left, I'm going to show you and you're going to do it yourselves later. All right, everyone? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. All right, let's move on. All right. Everybody, you're all done with this? Are you done with your nameplates? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Please give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Awesome. I can see a few thumbs up. All right. Who wants to make a baby? Is it cute? Do you want to make a baby? Show me a thumbs up if yes. Okay, I can see so many yeses. See how cute the baby looks. All right. So for this, you have to see the video. All right. You don't have to do anything right now. Give me a thumbs up if you understand that. Awesome. Okay. So let's learn this together. Here we go. So I've rolled a dough. All right. Rolled a round dough, and I'm going to again flatten it up. But before I do that, I'm going to make baby's face. So what have I made? Everybody look at the screen. I made baby's face. Now I'm making baby's cap. All right. I'm taking a different color. I'm making a baby's cap. All right. And how do we do that? We take a dough and we press it and press it and press it and press it and press it. And we put it on top of baby's head. All right. See, it's a flat circle that you put it on top of baby's head. All right. Okay. So look how I am adding both of them together. Okay. And then I'm pressing it hard and giving them a conical structure. All right. Great. Once we are done with that, we're going to move ahead. We're going to make a border for the baby's hat, the cap. All right. So for that, we'll roll another color Play-Doh and I'll make it into a snake-like structure. Okay, everyone? A snake-like structure. Okay. This everybody knows how to make, Hannah? Okay, so we can, and this hat is optional. You can just make the baby's face. That's completely all right. Okay, so I've put my rolling pin on the snake. Okay, and then I do a simple thing. All right, I'll take it and roll it on the baby's cap. All right. See, I'm going to take this and I'm going to roll it on the baby's hat. All right, everyone. See how cute is baby's hat going to look. Oh my God. Is any mama doing it with me? Mamas, you can notice, all right? And you can do it at home. It is very easy, all right? And if you have any questions, you can follow it up with me later, all right? Okay, everybody, see, I've made the hat like a triangular circle. Okay. Now moving on. Now is the body. How do we make the body of the baby? How do we make it? We'll make, first we'll mash the Play-Doh. All right, everyone. Then we'll roll it into a ball. Everything starts with a ball. All right. And then we'll do this. Okay. See carefully what I'm going to do. Okay. I'm going to take this. All right. Put it in my hand. All right. One circle. I put it in the hand and do this. See, this action is very important. Now the baby's body is ready. It's so easy. Did you know it's so easy? Okay. Now moving on. I am going to need the base, the blanket in which you're going to wrap the baby. Okay. For that, we're going to take a Play-Doh and make a roti roll and then use a rolling pin on it. All right. See, I've made a nice, almost circular sheet for the baby. All right. And I'm going to wrap it in and wrap it in. And it's going to look so cute. Isn't it looking cute? Is it looking nice? Give me a thumbs up if it's looking nice. Good job. Okay. So, and you can use ballpoint pen like I taught you today, this or your screwdriver kit to give design to the blanket. Okay. See, I'm doing that. I can give a outline design using a pen to the blanket. All right. Okay. And then I can see one or two mommies making with me. Good job, mommies. You're super fast. All right. So we give a nice design. All kids can give their own design to the blanket. All right. And it's time we wrap our baby in the blanket. All right. So we put her head first, then body, and then we wrap the baby in a blanket. Okay. And what are we missing? Okay. Before I start ahead, I want to ask you, who's going to tell me what is missing in this baby? What is missing in this baby? Unmute yourselves and tell me. What's missing in the baby? Ma'am, can you unmute kids? I want to unmute kids because some of them are saying something. Kids, can you unmute yourselves and say something? Hanji, what is missing in this baby? What's missing in this baby, darling?
Eyes.
Eyes, yes. What else? Somebody else has to tell me. What else is missing, darling?
Okay, Laura.
Face.
Face, yes. Who else is going to tell me?
Wow.
Eyes and what is missing? Mouth. All right. Okay, everybody, let's mute yourself and quickly finish this. Okay. So I'm going to put some eyes. Do you want to see how I put eyes? So you have to make sure the eye sticks. All right. So for example, here the eye has to stay there. It shouldn't pop out. So for that, it's a simple trick. All right. You need to first poke your eyes with the pencil. All right. Understood? And then you make balls and yes, darling. Yes, darling. Who's saying what? Tell me. All right. So we've put in eyes of the baby. All right. Okay. And the baby is ready. Okay. But before we move on, all right, I want you to show me all your nameplates. All right. Oh, I forgot. What else have I forgotten? Can anybody pinpoint? What else have I forgotten in the baby? Who wants to unmute them? Bow! Yes! The bow in the baby. You want to see the bow? Yes. Okay. Mute yourselves and see. Okay. So here we go. I am using things for the bow. Now I'm making things for the bow. All right. This is something I made for the, yeah. So this is the bow. All right. Very simple. I take a simple brown color. You can take any color. I usually use 2 colors, but here I don't have an option. The skin has to be lighter. So I used 3 colors. All right. So I press it. Can you see how I've done this? I made it a roll and then I pressed it. All right. Okay, once I've done that, I do is use a scale. Everybody eyes on screen. I'm gonna make a V using a scale. See, I'm making a V using a scale and chopping off the extra. Okay, same and the down. So one we are chopping off this, the other we are chopping off that. All right, one is V, then it is ulta V. Okay, and then I am making it come together, closer together. All right, and the center I'm gonna put a ribbon on top. All right, so after I've pressed it and make sure it doesn't split, I am secured. All right. Once we've done that, we come up with a screwdriver. Everybody look here. Simple screwdriver can do wonders. See how the bow is getting those folds using a screwdriver. Okay, all the kids, eyes on screen. I'm going to repeat this portion. All right. Everybody look on screen. I'm using a corner of a screwdriver to make that effect of the bow. Okay. Great. Once we're done, we need to take another colorful piece of paper, Play-Doh and roll it like a snake. All right. So I'm taking another and I'm rolling it like a snake. Everybody, I've made a snake out of it. And then this is a very important step. Everybody look at the screen. I can't see everybody looking at the screen. Okay, now I can. So you fold it across. All right. And you check the size is okay. And then you press. See, I'm pressing it and my bow is done. All right. So we have our baby ready. Okay. Okay, so before I leave, I wanna, first, these are a few creations that I've done before. Oh, I can see a baby. Okay, so you can follow me on Doodles by Tanu as well to get more of such stuff coming your way. I am closing this session right now, and I want to see all of you. Can I see all of you showing me? I want all of you to show me your work. I'm going to show you my work. I want you to show me your nameplate first. Can we do a nameplate show, please? Awesome! Riddhi, awesome! Super proud. And Rabo, such a good job, Rabo. Awesome. And can Dadi get it closer? Show me, darling. Wow. I love what you've done, kids. I'm so proud of you, Adan. And I'm so proud of you. Very nice. I am in, wow, I can see an alphabet on it. Your nameplate. That's so amazing. That's a good job there, kids. All right. Okay. So, everybody, please, you can send me or ma'am the photographs of all your nameplates. All right. Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. And I wanna, which one do you like the best in the picture? I wanna ask you. So can everybody, ma'am, we can unmute kids and kids can tell me their names and their pictures. I will remove the screen.
Which one do you like best? Octopus you like.
See, you kids,
कभी मैं डॉक्टर मैम
okay. Everybody. Okay. So, I want to tell you kids.
My name is Avisha Bhutani.
Okay. Kids, you
My name is Trista.
be
Oh, I am No, you're not going to do anything else. Not on my watch, not yours.
Okay, everyone.
Making a lettuce.
All right, everybody, listen to me. I want each and every one of you to unmute yourself. All right. And one by one, I'm going to take names and unmute you. And you're going to show me what you've done. All right. Each and every one, now I can see your name. So I want you to unmute yourself and quickly show me. Advik, unmute yourself and I want you to show me what you've done. Advik, I love your baby. Yes, Advik.
Thank you, ma'am.
बोलो मैम क्या कह रही हैं?
Thank you, ma'am.
हेलो मैम.
Hello, ma'am.
Awesome, good job. Daddy, can you show me your nameplate also, Advik?
हो गई.
Okay.
मेरी क्लास खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रही?
खत्म हो गई. आप चले जा सकते हो. आपका टर्न हो गया ना?
मेरी क्लास
Ananya, it's your turn. Ananya, it's your turn. Mute yourself, Advik. Ananya, show me what you've done, darling. Oh, wow. I'll show you mine. You show me yours. So nice. Oh, so cute. Mama, you can use a toothpick to keep the body and the face together. All right. So cute. I love the baby and the nameplate also, darling. Good job,
Thank you.
Ananya.
Say thank you.
Okay, moving on. Rian, it's your turn, darling. Unmute yourself.
Me, ma'am.
Yes.
I done it.
Okay, darling. Okay, I'll come to you, Sharanya. Very good job, Sharanya. But I'll come. Wow, very good. Awesome. Pretty. Okay, now it's Vian's turn. Vian, can you unmute yourself and show me?
अभी
your
मम्मा
picture,
जोड़ती है.
darling? Everybody else mute themselves. Ananya, Sharanya, please mute yourselves, darling. Vian, can you unmute yourself? All right. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Who else is showing? Rian is showing me. Rian, show me.
See, Priyan. You saying Priyan or Rayan? We are not able to hear.
Rian, it's okay. Say Rian. Rian, can you go a little back? Little piche, darling. Like this. One step back. Very nice, Rian. I'm so proud of you. You've done a very
Eyes
good
बनाएंगे?
job.
Eyes कैसे बनाएंगे?
All right.
Eyes कैसे बनाएंगे?
Everybody, please mute yourselves.
Ma'am, Havisha has made
Okay,
this.
Havisha. Wow, Havisha, this is so pretty. I am so proud of you. You kids are super fast, aren't you? I just showed you the baby and you made your baby. Very pretty. Good job. Okay, now it's Priyan's turn.
Sure.
Tell me, Priyan.
Show.
Show. Oh, wow. You also made a baby.
Name.
Very good. Such a pretty nameplate, Priyan. I'm so proud of you, darling. Wow. Awesome job, everyone.
Can we leave now?
Yes.
1 second.
Those whose turn is done can leave. Rian, very
Okay, we have
nice baby, darling. Very good. Let's move to the next kid. Can you unmute yourself, my dear? Rudra. Can you- Okay, can I see who's made it? Who's made it? I can't see. I can't see. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow, that's so cute. Namika, very good job. Awesome. This is so cute. I like the nameplate. Veer, very good, Veer. I'm so proud of you. All right? Great.
Let me show yours.
Show yours to ma'am.
Show me, darling. Oh, so cute, Naomi. I'm so proud of you, darling. Very nice. Good job. Okay. Now, next turn is Trishika. Trishika, did everybody enjoy the session? Trishika, can you show me what you made, darling?
बच्चे आप सुनते नहीं हो मैंने बोला बिल्कुल फोन से करते रहे बहुत छोटा हो जाता है
Okay. Trishika, can you quickly show me, darling? Come closer to the screen. I want to see your baby. It's looking so cute. It's your baby now. It's so cute. Good job. All right. Moving on. Aditi, show me, darling, what you've done. Aditi, show me what you've done. Ma'am? Yes, darling, show me what you've done. Panvi, show me what you've done, darling.
Agni's rolled her clay back and put it back in the boxes.
Oh, that's okay, darling. That's okay. Mama must have clicked a few pictures. Mama, please send us those pictures. Okay. And that's a very good thing to do. Naomi, you've shown me. Trishika, can you show me? Who's there on the screen right now? Prithviraj?
Oh, Prithvi, show him thing.
Prithviraj, show me, darling.
Prithvi, show.
Show, darling. Show, see, I'm showing you mine. Oh, we are same colors. Matching. Good job.
Octopus, not the baby.
Oh, wow. Octopus. Ooh. Did you like the session, all of you? I hope you did. Who
Yeah.
else is like Trishika? Please show me, darling. And
Oh,
then
not.
Rudra is left. Everybody mute yourself. Okay. Who's there on my screen right now? Let's see. Rudra. Show me, darling. Rudra, what you've done. Quickly show me. No worries. Mama can show me. Mama, did Rudra enjoy it today? Wow, Rudra, I'm so proud of you, darling. Good job. This is so pretty. Mama, send us photos, all right? Please do send us photos, okay? Now, whose turn is it? Yes. Charanya? Yes, darling.
Show.
Yes, Baba. Yes. Show me. Did you like the session? Yes?
Did you like
Oh, so cute. Sharanya, you can use a scissors to give finishing touches, alright? Good job. Awesome. I love the name. Mama's written your name on it, the full name. Okay, I can see Kaina Soni. I can see a seat. Patting. Yes, Kaina, show me, please. Kaina, you know I have. Yes, show me. You also made a baby. You're so fast. And a nameplate. Good job, my love. Good job. I'm super proud of you. Good job. Oh, I can see Rishit. Oh, same page. We have the same color Play-Doh. Awesome. Good job. Did you have fun, Rishit? Shania.
Tonight.
Wow! I had so many of you with same colors. Wow! Awesome! Good job, Shania. Super proud of yourself. Clap for yourself, Shania. Oh, thank you for sharing, darling. Okay, who else is left?
Show your baby
Mama,
also.
can you unmute? Vian, I don't think you showed us, Vian. Oh, a baby. Very nice. So pretty baby Mama's made. All right. Vian, can you show me what you've done, darling? Wow. Oh my God, you all are so good at this. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. All right. You should do more of Play-Doh. All right. And where's your nameplate, Vian? Where's your name, darling? Show me. Oh, you still have to write the name there and decorate it. It's okay. You can use all the things like I said, toolkit or your pen to decorate it later. All right. Moving on. Who's left? I think almost everybody is done. Is anybody left? Aditi? Aditi, did you show me? Oh, Riddhi. Yes, Riddhi. Show me, darling. Riddhi, show me. Wow! This is so cute. Super proud. Riddhi, good job. Riddhi, very good. Who else is left? Aditi, did you show me your work, darling? Oh, so cute. Aditi, show me. Did you show me your work? Oh, Aditi, next time you have to check out my website. It tells you how to make your Play-Doh. All right? You can ask Mama to message me and I'll teach her how to do that. Okay? Okay, for everyone, there's a tip. Before I leave, I'm going to give you a quick tip. Okay, it's time for us to go and I think everybody is done. So, Trishika, are you done? You're done, right? Everybody has checked out your work. Okay. So, before I leave, I'm going to tell you how to save your hard Play-Doh. Okay, everybody has wipes at home. You take your Play-Doh, roll it in a wet wipe and keep it back in the box overnight. In the morning, when you pick it up, it is going to be a perfect Play-Doh again. All right? Awesome. Good job, mommies and kids. Please do follow us. And I am Tanu from Doodles by Tanu. And we'll keep in touch very soon. You can call and message me anytime. All right. Bye. See you, everyone. Bye. Did you have fun? Bye. Say bye. Bye, everybody. Unmute yourself.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Okay.